Little brotherly love. Sliding down Imperial. Should have made a left. Should have made a left. Terrell Davis, as the former Lincoln High School Hornet, slid back down home for last night's ribbon cutting at the Hive. Before the game last night when Lincoln took on Long Beach Poly, Davis, two-time Super Bowl champion with the Denver Broncos and Super Bowl MVP in one of those victories, grew up in Southeast San Diego, and everyone affectionately called Terrell Davis back in the day Boss Hog. So everyone in Southeast, you know what time it is. The former Lincoln star running back, to be part of a great night, was there. The Hive and the Hornets put on the sting against Long Beach Poly 36-20. Hornets now 2-0 on the season, and we caught up with Boss Hog right after the ribbon cutting last night.
I've been talking to Coach Don, and we got some things planned, trying to raise some money, hopefully improve the facilities, help improve, the weight room, try to get a booster and get more support around here. But that's really what the plan is, man. It's, this is where I cut my teeth, man. This is where I earned the grit and that grind here in this neighborhood and at this high school. And so, long time coming, man, but I feel like this is time for us to really help Lincoln out. All my mentors that I've ever had in my life pretty much came from this neighborhood. So it gives you that as well, man. It gives you that extended family that a lot of us don't have. And, man, it's good to be back in Lincoln, man. It is. It feels good.